We're going to start by opening a new Google tab. From there, you're going to type in download LEGO Mindstorms Education EV3. Once your search results have loaded, you're going to look for a link that says Mindstorms EV3 downloads and select it. Inside here, you're going to be prompted to choose an operating system. If you're downloading to a Windows device, you won't have to do anything except select Get the App. If you're trying to load this on a Mac, or most likely if you're loading this onto your students' devices, you're going to select Chromebook. From there, you can read a little bit more on some of the system requirements needed to run the app successfully. And assuming that you have a Chromebook that can run LEGO Mindstorms Education EV3 app, you're going to click on Get the App, and this will prompt you to leave the Lego's website. You're going to click on Continue, and that's going to take you over to the Google Play Store where you're going to be prompted to install the EV3 Classroom on your Chromebook. If your Chromebook is capable of running this app, you'll see the button will be green and you'll be able to select it. If it is deemed that your Chromebook is too old to run the app, most likely what you'll see is a grayed out version of this button and you won't be able to select it. If that's the case for you, we're going to use a different app to program with on the Make Code website. But for now, let's assume that this is going to work and you're going to go ahead and click on Install.